Good evening, everyone. So, I'm Altelering Belaro from Batch 4. So, yung topic po natin today is all about fasting. So, ang sabi ni Pastor Russell dito is, bakit ka dapat mag-fasting regularly? At ang scripture po na ibinahagi ni Pastor Russell today ay matatagpuan sa Nehemiah 1 verse 4. So, first, let's read the concept of fasting. Fasting is not just skipping meals, it's choosing to feast on God instead. It's a spiritual discipline where we deny ourselves physical satisfaction so we can heighten our spiritual sensitivity. Biblically, fasting is often linked with moments of desperation, direction, and deep devotion. It's a way of saying, Lord, I need you more than anything. In fasting, we humble ourselves before God. Tuning out the noise so we can hear His voice more clearly. At ito ay matatagpuan sa Joel 2 verse 12 to 13, Acts 13 verse 2 to 13. So, dito po ay binimihagin ni Pastor Russell o pinapaintindi po sa atin ng Panginoon na ang pagpapasing ay hindi lang, it's not all about skipping meals but also devoting ourselves to Him in a way na pinapresent nito na ang kailangan lang natin sa ating buhay ay ang kanyang kapurihan or ang kanyang buhay para sa buhay natin. So, siya lang ang kayang nakapagbibigay ng kahit anong bagay na maaaring ma-offer sa ating mundo tayo. Saka naman lahat ng bagay na nakikita natin dito ngayon. So, teachings we have fasting is a normal Christian discipline. Yan po ay isang bagay na normal lang sa pagdidisiplina ng isang Kristiyano. Kumbaga, basic lang na gawain na talagang dapat naman ito ginagawa ng bawat Kristiyano. At fasting is spending a lot of time with God. So, gaya nga sabi natin, ang fasting is not all about skipping meals but also having a deep relationship with our God. And, of course, when you are having fasting, you are also having a connection or a communication with our God. And fasting is aligning your heart with God. So, dito sa way na to, is mas nagkakaroon tayo ng intimate relationship sa Panginoon. Mas nagkakaroon tayo ng communication sa Kanya. Nang sa gayon, mas lumalalim yung pag-ibig ng bawat isa sa isa't isa natin, gaya patungo sa Panginoon. And applications here are the fast for your family, friends, and finances. It's not all about skipping meals in your own but also praying for the health, safety, and blessings for your friends, family, or your loved ones. And fast by skipping meals and social media. It's not all about meals, but also, you can also fasting when it comes to social medias. Alam mo yun, discipline when it comes to using social medias. It's also draining ourselves. Dahil the more naman sa natin siya ginagamit, parang nakaka-drain din yung mga nakikita natin sa social media. And fast regularly or at least once a month. So, it is a must. It is a must na mag-fasting tayo. Hindi man araw-araw, or pero syempre mas better na araw-araw, but we can also fast even in just once a month. So, yun lang po at maraming